In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a MetaMask wallet. Okay, so just go ahead and click Get Started. And you'll see a screen where they're going to ask you if you want to send them anonymous data about how you use MetaMask. Personally, I'm fine with this. It's up to you if you want to agree or disagree. I'm just going to agree. And now it's going to ask you, are you new to MetaMask? So if you previously set up a wallet, you're going to select the first screen, which is for importing your previous wallet recovery phrase. However, if you are new, you just want to focus on creating a new wallet. So now you're going to enter in a password, which is a password that you're going to use to unlock the MetaMask wallet. So this will be used by you in case you walk away from your computer. You don't have to worry about the fact that MetaMask is left open. At least this is a line of defense to prevent abuse from happening on your account. So you can enter in any password. I'm just going to enter this one, suggested by Firefox. Click Create. Now it's going to show a video about securing your wallet phrase code. So the best way to secure your wallet phrase code is to never save it on a computer, a hard drive. Never have a digital backup of your phrase code. Just have a pen and paper and then click to reveal and then write down each word of your secret recovery phrase. Okay, so I finished writing down my secret recovery phrase on pen and paper. So I just want to remind you, never actually keep a digital copy of your secret recovery phrase. You want to write it down on with pen and paper. And keep your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe inside your home. Maybe a safe if you have a safe, or just somewhere else that's very secure. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anybody. So if somebody on the internet asks you to send them your secret recovery phrase, don't share it with them. Most likely they are a scammer. And don't do not show this recovery phrase. Like, don't leave it lying around in your home, for example. Don't let anybody accidentally take a picture of it. As soon as somebody has access to your secret recovery phrase, they can gain access to all your cryptocurrencies. So I've written down my 12 words and I'm going to click next. And now it's going to ask me to confirm my secret recovery phrase. So in the correct order, I need to put my secret recovery phrase. I'm just going to do that now. So I finished pulling out my secret recovery phrase in the correct order. So I'm going to click confirm. And that's it. I've successfully created my new MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to click all done. Now I've moved to the next screen, and this is what it will look like once you have finished creating your MetaMask wallet.